Question 15. P, Q, R and S are 4 points on a circle. PXR and SXQ are straight lines. Prove that triangle PQX and triangle SRX are similar. Well, in order to show that these two triangles are similar, I need to show that they have 3 angles in common. And so firstly, I can look at angle QPS and QSR. Now these angles are both the same because they are in the same segment, both subtended from points Q and R. For the same reason, angle PQS and PRS are equal, as they are also angles in the same segment. They are both subtended from P and S. And then lastly, angle QXP and SXR are also equal, as these are vertically opposite angles. And so since all 3 pairs of angles are equal, then the triangles PQX and SRX are similar.